Hey there, this is Mrs. Dietz. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video on how to submit the independent reading novel selection assignment. I've received quite a few emails today on how to do that, so I want to make sure I clear up any confusion that you guys have. First and foremost, anytime you're turning something in, you have to do the lesson first. In order for you to see the Dropbox where you turn your assignment in, you have to do the lesson. If you don't do the lesson, that Dropbox will not appear for you. So first, you guys need to log into class and click on this module here, Independent Reading Novel. If you click on Launch, it's going to bring you to that module, and it'll bring you to the assignment as well. We're just going to have to wait because my internet is moving a little bit slow. There we go. So in order for you to be able to turn this in, you need to read the independent reading novel explanation, and then you need to click on IR Novel Selection Assignment and read that. Once you've done that, you should have access to the Dropbox where you can submit your assignment. You can submit this two ways. You can always go into content and then into the lesson and find the assignment to submit. So I can go ahead and I can click on this. And again, it's just going to take a little bit because my computer is a little bit slow. Okay, from here, you're going to read through the assignment if you haven't done so already. And then to upload your assignment, you are going to click on Upload right here. And then from there, it should take you to your Documents folder. And you should be able to select your assignment. Mine is just being a little bit slow. There we go. So from here, I can go ahead and I can select my assignment, click on Open, and it will upload it. My assignments, of course, are just a bunch of planning documents, but you should have your assignments in a folder somewhere in your computer. Another way that you can turn this in is by going into the classroom and going to Tools, Assignments, and then selecting the assignment. Let me show you how to do that. Another way to submit assignment is to go up here into Tools and then select Assignments. And from there, it's going to pull up all of our assignments. You might not see all of these. The only way you can see an assignment that you need to turn in is if you do the lesson that it appears in first. So if you haven't done these lessons yet, you most likely won't be seeing a whole lot of assignments. You might see a couple. For this particular assignment, you need to scroll past Unit 4. And you need to go to Independent Reading Novel. Then you'll click on IR Novel Selection Assignment, and it'll take you to a similar screen. In fact, it's the exact same screen that we were on before. From there, again, you just click on Add File, and then it'll pull up your documents. Click on My Computer, click on Upload, and then it'll pull up your documents, and you can select your assignment. Once you do that, you click on Add, and it should save. Okay. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. Like I said, make sure you do the lesson first. The steps that I just went through with you on this particular assignment can be applied to any written assignment that you complete for this class. You can always submit it inside the lesson that it first appeared in, or inside the lesson that has the Dropbox, or you can always go to Tools, Assignments, and then find the assignment from there and submit it that way. Just keep in mind that you always have to do the lesson before you can see the Dropbox. Okay, let me know if you have other questions.